subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Hong Kong-based smartphone company Infinix has launched its new budget smartphone in India called Infinix Smart 5A with prism flow ray design pattern. Talking about the specifications, the Infinix Smart 5A features a 6.52-inch HD Plus display with 19.5:9 aspect ratio and 85% screen-to-body ratio. The screen houses a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 8-megapixel selfie camera with f2.0 aperture, and it has dual LED flash to take bright images in low light conditions. The rear panel of the phone supports a dual camera setup and a squarish module at the top left corner, including LED flash. The dual rear camera includes an 8-megapixel primary camera with f2.0 aperture along with the AI featured depth sensor. Under the hood, the Infinix Smart 5A comes powered by MediaTek Helio A20 chipset, paired with 2GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 256GB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the software, the handset runs on Android 11 with XOS 7.6 skin on top, and it is backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery that is claimed to offer up to 28 hours of music playback, 19 hours of video playback, 16 hours of web browsing, 13 hours of gaming, and up to 35 days of standby time on a single charge. Additionally, the smartphone features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also includes DTS surrounded sound system for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.5 by 76.4 by 8.75 mm, and it weighs around 183 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Infinix Smart 5A has been priced in India at 6,499 Indian rupees, and it is set to go on sale in the country starting from August 9th in Midnight Black, Ocean Wave, and Quetzal Cyan color options. So what do you guys think of this Infinix Smart 5A smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.